Good morning, party people. Bright and early, 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're off to first Hiroshima and then Fukuoka. Hopefully, we'll be more exciting today. All right. Japanese wrist stop. Yay. Alright, Japanese people drive like crazy. Alright, so the speed limit is 80, but everyone still goes 120. Alright, people in Hiroshima really know how to do rest stops. They got a Starbucks here. And on a side, I just saw the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Run like top of the mountain, driving, and you get a perfect view of Miyajima. Freaking amazing. Couldn't really show you guys though, because, driving and all. But I'm at a rest stop, which is not as high as I was, but still it gives an amazing view of Miyajima. Check it out. So, I'm not quite sure, but I think that island there is Miyajima. Not quite sure though. Yeah. No, I made a mistake. It's that one. I think. Yeah, you can see the little gate. Well, you can't see it, but I promise it's there. Okay, go.
Welcome to Fukuoka, yay!
And who are you?
My name is Momo. From Kumamoto.
Ah, cool. So downtown Fukuoka is a random park with like random ducks in the river and cool areas to hang out and couples in rowboats and all that romantic shit. Look, check this out. People rowing, lots of ducks, lots of green. I'm a big fan of Fukuoka. A lot of turtles. No fishing for the turtles. And one massive giant carp. Wow. Hey guys. So I'm now in Nagasaki. And I'm really tired and really sunburned. For future reference, make sure you wear a lot of sunscreen and like 5 layers of it, because otherwise your right arm looks like a lobster. Anyway, so craziest thing in life, they have robots, freaking robots on the highways. Telling you when to slow down, then you need to like watch your side and stuff. I was scared. Okinawa Music Festival, kind of. There's like something 5 people here. It's interesting, huh?